Sanbanane guys, welcome back to yet another video. Now you guys, I know we just entered season 8 of Uthando Nesthembu, but guys, now I have a question. I don't know if it's me just being ahead of myself or what, you guys. So when the first trailer of Uthando Nesthembu season 8 was released, and that trailer had Ubuso Buga wife number 5. They had wife number 5 as picture. This was around the 11th of December, if I'm not mistaken, you guys. So they posted that video, and we finally saw wife number 5. We did videos about it. We were like, "Eh, Ugel is so young, so beautiful." And you know, I'm a PI, I'm a private investigators. Alana on the social streets. They found Ugeli, they found wife number 5. And when I went to her profile ngempela, how the pictures matched the person that I saw on the trailer was being portrayed as wife number 5. But now there's something, guys, that confused me, and I'm just like, when the season starts, you go and check my profile abantu to see what bathini, abomakhumalo, abomayeni, to see ukuthi like are they vibing with the new season or what are they saying. So now on the 19th of December, the girl Usamke, that's wife number 5, she posted pictures of herself with a beautiful face beat, you guys. And then there was comments on there, and of course like comments of people saying hey waze wamuhle in. But today I decided, let me go back to those comments and just check, because there's always someone on the comment section who knows something. But even though there was nothing that I found in that comment section, there's something that I kind of felt like it's strange, or either girl just did not want to seem as if she's been too forward. I noticed, guys, on the comment section, remember this picture was posted after the trailer, so which means naye uyaziwa as wife number 5 now. It was official to the whole country. So the comments that said hey, you are beautiful, all of that, she responded to all of those comments saying thank you ngiyabonga in. But all the comments that said mama wamselegu, mother of the nation, and all of those comments that are insinuating ukuthi ungumakoti wawamselegu, she didn't respond to those comments, you guys. She just liked them. And I kind of found that strange, because I'm just like, I would have understood if she just liked them if there was no video or a trailer that was posted and she was still it was still secretive, like her identity was still secretive. I would have understood why she did not answer or comment or respond to those comments, because she would have given it off. But now this is after she's known by the nation, so I don't see why wouldn't she want to, at least leave her heart or say ngiyabonga or something like that. At least lababantu ayibo ugeli. Guys, do you think ukuthi ugeli uselapho because bokunama hem? Here on the streets, Ugeli is no longer Lapayana. I don't know how true is this, you guys, but people said Uguti they used to follow one another, Benomselegu, and they no longer following one another. When I checked, they are not following one another. I can't confirm whether they ever followed one another before, because Bengamazu Ugeli. So I don't know, guys, if it's just me, as I said, if it's just me being forward. Maybe we should wait a little bit and see. Maybe it's just me being forward of saying like maybe Ugeli just didn't, maybe Ugeli ufuna ukuhlonipha the situation by not being too forward. Or either number 2, guys, ayiseke leyo nto. Or angazi, guys, you tell me, how do you see the situation? Because both options are possible, but I guess let's wait and see. But I have a feeling, you guys, that we are not going to see much of Usamke on this season. I feel like towards the end of the season, that's when Umselegu's gonna introduce her. But then again, I might be mistaken, because remember, we saw a trailer where Usamke was being welcomed. There was actually a ceremony that's been done for her where Umatele is welcoming her. So I guess let's wait it out and see. You guys, tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. Guys, please do watch the ads. That is just your way of showing support towards this channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one.